Well, good morning everybody. Welcome back to another one. It's a bit of an early morning here, getting started. Thought I was going to get started with my day and my load, but you know, sometimes plans change, or plans change. So I did buy another truck. A bit of issues with it, but here's the truck. Figure you can show you guys here real quick. Although it's got the new headlights, it's a 99 P379. I absolutely love the color. It's a 99 Cummins Signature Series 600, which is the start of the ISX without the emissions BS. I've had that engine before in a truck, and I've had good luck with it. Just not this one apparently. So when I got it, did have to do a bunch of stuff to the truck. You know, and I'll go over that as far as what I did when you know, when I'm driving. But this morning I have to go and drop the trailer off at the shipper, the load that I usually do, and I'm going to have one of the company guys come and take it because I got to put the truck in the shop, and I'll go into that. I'll go that into detail here in the next few minutes of the video. I just got to get it started and let it run so I can get out of here. Alright guys, so here we go. Should have been the Maiden, you know, run, but it is what it is. So the truck's leaking a whole lot of oil. I mean, you know, I've had the same spot here now for, I don't know, 3 years or whatever it's been. And you know, between both the Freightliner and the W9 Kenworth, it hasn't leaked remotely as much as this thing leaked in one night for those two trucks in whatever 3 years it is. And looks like, I don't know, they had to throw something in there because I drove the truck from Indiana all the way to Lansing, which was a 2-hour drive, and you know, nothing when I got to Lansing, and then all of a sudden I get from Lansing to here with a trailer and just spewing oil everywhere. After I did an oil change, exhaust and shit, so I did an exhaust, put a new visor on it, and then mechanically had to change one of the U-joints was pretty bad, and the you know, the dog bones that actually go on each individual axle, I forget what the proper name for the sons of bitches is, and you know, a bunch of other stuff on it. But I'm obviously disappointed, frustrated, but you know, hey, sometimes it is what it is. And it's also it's gonna need a rebuild. I gotta take the trailer now to one of the drivers, and then go back to Lansing. Got a couple of calls I gotta make to see if I can find a shop to rebuild it, you know, who's not gonna keep it there forever, and who's gonna do a good job. AGA has one of their trucks in the shop. hopefully they'll get that back today, and hopefully they can put me in the truck so I can, you know, make a little bit of money while I'm losing a whole lot of money trying to rebuild this damn thing. But it will be what it will be. Blow-by tube, you know, wasn't putting anything out. As far as blow-by at all, but you know, you can certainly see blow-by from all the oil leaks and stuff, and I'm wondering if they blocked the blow-by tube. I still gotta take it apart and see what the, you know, fuck's going on with it, but I am wondering, and maybe I'm wrong, that they blocked off the blow-off tube to mask the issue, and the crankcase pressure was so bad that it started, you know, finding weak spots on seals and such, and it started blowing those to pieces, and that's why it's leaking so bad. Just a theory of mine. I don't know if that's something that even makes sense or plausible or whatever, what have you. But if any of you guys know, man, please comment below. Alright there, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. Got about an hour and a half drive to Lansing, and then I just grind the shit out of that. Look for an overhaul shop, and go from there. I guess it is what it is. check it one more time to, you know, make sure that's what it needs, because a lot of money. But if it is going to get overhauled, which I think it's going to have to be, I'm going to have them do an out of frame instead of an in frame. You know, comes with a pretty good warranty, and get everything kind of, you know, set up. So that I usually run, I hope I can find a truck temporarily to be doing that load. I'm sure I've pissed off the broker more than I definitely want to, you know, with the truck issues and shit. So I guess we'll see what happens, but it ain't looking too good. See what they say, I guess. This thing's a piece of shit. So truck's been parked here, I don't know, 15 minutes. And that's all the oil out of it. Not to mention that it's got a recon or reman engine on there at some point. And when you plug it in, it doesn't show any serial number or anything like that, so they can't even order parts for the son of a bitch. They'll figure it out, I guess, and pull the engine. I'll be over here at some point to take some videos of it. The place, if anybody honestly is interested, is STS Transportation out of Grand Rapids. But I'll be back once they pull the engine and you know, take a peek at it and shit. Well, truck's dropped off. Now I'm pretty much at the mercy of the mechanic and part suppliers and everybody else. You know, hopefully it gets it done fairly quick, but you know, it's an auto frame, nothing is quick about that. I told him to let me know when he's got the engine out of there and, you know, tore it down so I can go and film a little bit for you guys. And I actually want to see it for myself, see what kind of condition it's in and what kind of issues, you know, are there. But I guess we'll see. Just want to say thank you to you guys, you know, honestly, for the support. Especially with me not, you know, posting as much and all this BS that I'm putting myself through, that, you know, if I didn't sell the other truck, you know, maybe an unnecessary headache. Clearly thought I was doing what was best, but you know, maybe this is God's way of saying, hey, relax a little bit and you know, take it one step at a time and take it a little bit slower. But Anyways, thank you so much, you guys. Thank you. I really appreciate you. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. Hit the notification bell. Hope you guys have a great one. We'll see you on the next one.